Today I'm gonna make some ground turkey. I'm gonna make some shepherd's pie. And these are my ingredients that I'm gonna use. I have you see, I have parsley here, and salt, black pepper, some oregano, ground ginger, soy sauce, Worcestershire sauce. I have some fish oil, and I have some mustard I'm gonna use here, and I have some coriander. And over here is my onion, garlic, celery. I have some lemon zest, and I'm gonna squeeze off a lemon at the end. I have some mixed vegetable here, and this corn is to put into my mashed potato. So let's get started, guys. This is my pot here. I'm gonna turn on my stove on high for it to heat up. Putting in some canola oil. I think that's enough. Yeah, and I'm gonna start my potato. My stove on, and I also I'm gonna turn my potato in. I'm gonna drop 2 pegs of garlic into the water. I need a little more water. That's cool. Okay, my oil is eating up. Okay, let me cover my pot. I think I should put a little salt in the water. Let me grab some salt here. Okay, my oil is almost ready to go. Just a little salt, I don't want a lot. Okay, I'm gonna add my add in my onions, celery, and my garlic. Later. I'm gonna add my cumin to my onion and garlic mixture. Let it unleash that flavor. Unleash that flavor in it. So I'm gonna add some paprika. I don't want to put too much. Give it color. I'm gonna add my ground turkey. Okay, let me put my lemon zest. My lemon zest is my salt. And pepper. My parsley. The ginger powder. Oregano. Soy sauce. So be careful with these. These are very salty. Worcestershire sauce. And a little fish oil. And I put the mustard almost to the end. And I let this fry up and then come right back. Put in my Smells so good. Yummy. Adding some mustard in it. So, tablespoon of mustard in it. It's all done, guys. Already, I'm gonna add some lime juice at the end. Some lime juice in it, lemon juice. Lemon juice at the end. Okay. See? All done. Gonna get it into these dishes for the oven. Or 3 dishes. See? Potato. I put some corn in the potato to get a little bite at the end. Okay, I use my fork and I make a design around like this. Okay, let me. Just come around like this. In the middle, just make a little design. See this one? Look at this one. See that design? Okay, with the fork, then I'm gonna clean the edge, just clean around. Don't make it look so messy. Where's my brush? Oh God, help me, Jesus. It was right here. And I put them under. Where's the brush? I have it here. It's right here. Okay, my oven is heating up. To find my brush and come back. Okay, I am gonna just put liquor, melted butter on the top. Little melted butter on the top of it. Just to give it a little color. Okay. This over here. Here we go. To give it that little color. And okay, my oven is ready. Pop it in my oven. Oh God, this is heavy. It is so heavy. Okay. Put it into my oven. Just until the top gets some color. Because everything is already cooked. And this here, I'm gonna make some meat patties tomorrow. Yes. Make me some meat patties tomorrow with the leftover. Okay, I see you in a minute.